Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And recently me and my daughter went shopping and we went to Primark, so I thought I'll just pop upstairs and do a little Primark haul. Well, it's not little, it's quite big, but it's Primark in Superdrug haul. So there we go. Am I in focus? This camera is like really difficult to use. Right, so let's just get on with it. It comes, I've got a huge bag, it's so heavy. Right, so we'll start off with the Superdrug items because they're on the top. And there is all sorts in here. I've never been through it, so there's all sorts of stuff of random things. So we start off with this, which is the collection. This is Superdrug bit. So it's the collection. I don't know if that's gonna show up, but this is the collection Lasting Perfection Ultimate Wear Concealer, and it is in the shade, what shade are you? 02, which is cool to medium. And I'll do a little swatch because this is one of my favourite concealers. I don't know if it's going to show up, but that is it. And so there we go. I think that was £3.99 in Superdrug. So maybe if I just come a bit closer, you'll be able to see it. So is that going to? Just want to show it a little bit more. There we go. Right, so then the next item what I got is, now I love Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I really do. I think that these are the best toothpastes you could ever get. I've used them all of the toothpaste, even the shop branded ones, even the Sensodyne ones, Colgate ones. I always go back to this, which is Arm & Hammer. They are really good. I love the baking soda. It's such a clean feeling afterwards. And so yeah, they were on offer in Superdrug. You buy one, you get one free, and they were £3.95. So pretty good actually. And it is the active calcium enamel strengthening and whitening. So yeah, use it twice a day and it's powerful. That's what I'm saying about it. It really is. And I just use that with my mouthwash, Listerine, and you get like a powerful clean, and it just really is good. You can feel it working. And so yeah, there we go. And I got two of those because it was on offer. So that is that. Then I've never tried this, but as you noticed, I do have coloured hair. But so this is the Tresemme Pro Collection Sulfate Free. I got sulfate free because I know that sulfate is bad for your hair. So I got one that was sulfate free. It just says Colour Shine Plex with camellia oil. Never had camellia oil. So right, so what does this smell of? Oh, it has like a lotus scent to it, like a really flowery scent. Anyway, I'll just see if you can see in there. It's a shame you can't smell it. That is really a nice scent. So you can also get the conditioner as well in Superdrug. So that is that. And I think that is the Superdrug one done. So then the next item that I got is, so this now is the Primark haul except for a random postage thing. So we're going to start off with this, which is my t-shirt that I got. And I've got an oversized t-shirt because I do like them baggy. So I tend to go for the 2XL, even though I can get into a medium to a large. I like a big t-shirt, so it's like comfortable and baggy. So sometimes I just love a baggy t-shirt. So this is the, what are you? You are the tie-dye 2XL t-shirt. And you are £5. So this one is £5. It really is. I do like it. So I might do a try on. I'll see how I'm feeling later on. And then I got this one, which is, I got this one because I love the quotes on it, and it says be yourself. You shouldn't be anybody else, but yourself. So I like it. There we go. I love the quotes on it. This one again is in the size, no, it's an extra large, so it's not oversized really. So, and this one was £2.50. So I'll show you it. There we go. Then this is what I got for my son, because he just loves these to run around the house in, which is a pair of joggers. And these is on sale for £7. Just make sure I got that right. Yes, they're on sale for £7. They're like super stretchy, and the material is like a thick sweatshirt material sort of thing. So there, and there is the bottom. Don't know if you can see it, but you see it. There we go. So, and I also got him this t-shirt as well. Now then, this t-shirt is red with like the sort of stars on the top on it, and this is in like 2XL, so I also got him that as well. But if he doesn't like it, I'll pinch it. So there we go, that's what I got. This is like £3 and it's been £5, but we'll see. He probably will like it, and I won't get to pinch it, so he's safe there. And then the next item, what I got is another B t-shirt. I said another B t-shirt. This is the only one I've got B t-shirts. I got quite a lot of t-shirts in this haul. So this one is the 2XL one, and it is £2.50. But I got it because it reminds me of like summer, you know, like summer and the bees and all of that. So yeah, thought it would go nice with a pair of shorts or something like that. This would be nice teamed up with a pair of shorts or skinny jeans, or black skinny jeans, I would say. Yeah, so that is quite nice. And then the next item, what I got is this other yellow t-shirt. I love yellow. Yellow is my favourite colour at the minute. It just is what I go for. I like yellow a lot. And it's 2XL because it's like, I like a baggy t-shirt. And this one is £2.50 again. So, bargain shopping. And then the next item what I got is pants. You always need lots of pairs of pants, so yeah, these are them. You just pay £2 for them. They're like a really bargainy buy. Then the next item what I got is another staple in this house, which is socks. We go through quite a load of these, so yeah, I have to buy them most weeks. So then the next item what I got is this. I'm going to try and put that up somewhere. It's one of these like felty board things. It was £3, so it's bargain buy. So I just thought, well, I'll put it up here somewhere so you'll be able to see it when I'm going to upload, or if I can think of a video or something like that. Right, so let's just have a quick look at it. So it comes like that, and then you've got all of the like the letters, so I can pop it on. And it's like, you've got like a light, so you can switch it on with the light. I'm not sure if this is on. It's got no batteries on it, but you just press that button and it lights up. See there, switch. It's just not going to go because it's being probably used. Oh, right. So then the next item what I got is a pair of jeans. And I got these in size 16. I am a 14, but I just went one size up because I don't know why, I just did it. I thought that these would be a better fit, and I don't know with you, but Primark jeans always seems to be you need to go one size up because the size that you are seems to be a little bit more tight. I don't know if you've had that experience, but I certainly have. So I go one size up on my jeans, and that is just what I did. So there we go, and I do like my jeans. I love them. I live in them basically. Yeah, so that is me. Live in jeans and just about my gym gear, and that is what I do. Wear most days jeans and t-shirt. I know. I never really wear like dresses. I'm not really a dressy type of person, but that's just what I am. So that is like my haul. I'm nearly finished. Oh, we've got one more item. We have got a lipstick. This is the Everyday Goddess, is it? God matte lipstick. This is in the shade. What shade are you? You are in the shade somehow. Oh, it's a matte one, and I think it's just in the shade brown. That is the shade of it. And now I'm just going to show you it. There we go. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye!